Hi, I'm Travis with Dish. Today we're going to be doing ribeyes. We're going to be grilling ribeyes, as a matter of fact. And we're going to be finishing them in the oven and then butter basting them. Because why? Because butter makes everything better. So we're going to take the Cadillac of steaks and we're just going to pump it up a little bit. Watch me now. So when we grill the ribeyes today, we're going to be feeling for temperature to make sure that everything's done to the way that you like it. And one way we do it is the finger test in the kitchen. This is basically when you put these two fingers together, you push right here, you can get medium rare. Do this, you're going to get medium. Do this, you're going to get medium well. Do this, you're going to get well done, or I messed up this steak and this should not be served. So that's the test, and you're going to be just banging it all day. And I'm telling you, the more you do this, the better you're gonna get at it. So today's technique that we're gonna be using is grill to oven. We're gonna be going from a very high temperature where we're searing off the outside, locking in all the flavor, and then we're gonna go to a very low temperature oven, which is gonna finish it off. And then we're gonna rest it. Rest your steaks, or you're making mistakes. So before we grill the steak, we gotta season it. So you gotta add a bunch of salt to this. And this is a thick steak. This is like a 30-ounce steak. So we gotta put a lot of salt on here to get it to go through. It's gonna look overwhelming, but trust me, it's not. Pick kosher salt, please. Don't use table salt. Don't use Malden salt. Use kosher salt. It's gonna give you the best result. Trust me on this. Heavy pinches. It looks a little extreme, right? But trust me, it's not. It's gonna give you a little bit of crust, and when that fat drips off, it's gonna mingle with the actual salt and give you like this basting process. It's like, make you shiver. Already, flames are coming up, licking this. You don't wanna burn your steak, man. Don't burn that steak. Turn your steak. Pull it off the grill, go throw it in the oven. Low and slow, about 250. We'll see you in a little bit, baby. So we're ready to pull this thing now. It's been in the 250 oven. And we want to do the finger test. Oh, this is ready to go. Let's go. All right, so we've finished our steak off in the oven, but now we gotta rest it. We wanna rest it on the cooling rack so that we don't ruin the beautiful sear that we've gotten on this thing. We've spent so much time. So we've got it on the cooling rack. We're gonna let it sit for a few minutes. Oh man, you know this is gonna make it good because it's been resting, it's got a little cool. You gotta heat it back up, baby. Give it a little flavor. It's flavor to savor. Rest it for about half the time that you cooked it. If you cooked it for 20 minutes, cool it for 10. If you cooked it for 10, cool it for 5, all right? Next thing we want to do is to get some salt up on it. Some finishing salt. And that's different than the kosher salt. That's Malden salt. We got the ribeye off the grill, out of the oven, onto the cooling rack, cooled out, good to go. We're ready to slice it. Let's check it out. First of all, this is a rib bone. So this is actually a rib, it's coming through here. You actually want to get this off of the steak. So you want to trim along that bone, all right? Let's go ahead and trim along that bone. Oh yeah. Boom. And now you can see beautiful pink steak. Oh no, you didn't. Oh yes, I did. That steak is just ready to have a party right there. And we're gonna do it. We're gonna, oh my goodness, good. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me with this? Are you kidding me with this? Get out of here. What's gonna happen first? Because you know what hurts the worst. Oh my goodness, what just happened? We're raining. Oh my God. What is happening? It's time for sauce. Yep, steak sauce. Oh goodness. Now this is something you can do at home by yourself without any restaurant intervention. Is good to go. Go ahead and get you some. There's no reason why you can't.